this is an introduction to VPF Marketing. The purpose of this short presentation is to give you a quick overview of VPF Marketing. VPF Marketing is a new way to think about advertising, promotion, and public relations. Traditionally, marketing has been used to lump together all actions related to gaining or obtaining new business. But it's never been codified in a simple and modern way. VPF Marketing has three simple components. And each of these components have been applied collectively with absolute success by companies like Apple, Amazon, Walmart, and all successful businesses. Let me explain. The very first component is V, visibility. Google defines visibility as the state of being able to see or be seen. It could be said the more a product or service is known about by public consumers, the more likely it is to succeed. A product or service could have no, low, or high visibility. The second component is P, presentation. Google defines presentation as the manner or style in which something is given, offered, or displayed. It could be said that if a product or service is presented to meet the expectation of a consuming public, it will have a better chance of success. A product or service could be presented poorly or very well. The last component is F, functionality. Google defines functionality as the quality of being suited to serve a purpose well. Practicality. It could be said that consumers are most happy with their interaction experience when they can find or do what they are intending quickly and easily. If a consumer can take action or interact in this way, a product or service has a better chance for success. That concludes this elementary introduction to VPF Marketing. If you believe your dental practice could benefit from these principles, we invite you to apply for a complimentary VPF Marketing audit. Visit this URL or text your name and website to 503-482-9321.